It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Apollo. Have you ever heard loud banging or popping coming from your furnace or walls? Don't ignore it. Those sounds are signals your system needs attention. Let's break down the most common causes. First up, fuel supply issues. If a gas valve isn't opening all the way, or there's a blockage in the line, the burners may not be getting the right mix of gas and air. That imbalance can create loud, uneven combustion. Next, it could be your ductwork. Metal ducts expand and contract as they heat up and cool down. That movement can echo through your home as sharp bangs or pops. Dirty or clogged burners are another culprit. Over time, dust and debris can build up, preventing burners from lighting properly. You might also be hearing ignition problems. If gas builds up before the system lights, it can ignite all at once, causing a small, startling explosion inside the furnace. Thermostats play a role too. A faulty thermostat may cause the furnace to turn on and off irregularly, producing hard starts and stops that you'll hear as banging sounds. A banging noise might not seem like an emergency at first, but it could be a sign of serious and dangerous problems. If you're hearing loud banging sounds coming from your heating system, we definitely recommend calling a professional for help. We thought you'd like to know.